start with this. Woo! Woo! Hello, my people. Please, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Feel free to click on the like button if you like my video, and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss anything. Please, today's video I want to use this. This is unripe banana. I want to use it. I want to actually prepare something for my brother. This is what he drinks every morning, and you know this banana, unripe banana, has something like a gummy sticky stuff. When you try to peel it, it has something like that, the gummy and sticky stuff. So that thing helps a lot. It helps a lot. It really helps a lot. It cures ulcer, peptic ulcer. So I am going to show you guys how to use this on deal with your ulcer. Say no to ulcer. Say no to ulcer from today. I'm going to serve you guys from that pain in your stomach. Let's go there. We are going to prepare it right now. One banana. You know, while cutting this out, you notice when you cut on an unripe banana, this is what you see, this sticky gummy stuff from the peel. So this is what is going to help you cure the peptic ulcer that you have. So now this particular thing helps heal those wounds. So now you're going to, whichever way you want to do it, you cut it. Come closer. You cut it anyhow you want to do it. You wash it, then you chop it. Don't forget, it has to be an unripe banana, not ripe one. Cut it. Cut this off, then cut this. You can use as many as you want, or better still, you can do it this way. Whichever way you like it, you slide it. Okay, I think that's okay. Then this is your drinking water. Maybe make sure it's up to like a glass. The quantity, don't put so much. You can see. So now, if you look closely inside the water, this bowl, you will notice this sticky gummy stuff is here. It's already floating on top of the water. So this is what is going to help you heal the ulcer. Because ulcer sometimes, the severe pains that you feel down inside your stomach, sometimes it's safe as if there is actually a wound in there. So this gummy stuff is going to gum it, those wounds inside there. And it's going to, you know, the healing is going to be gradually. So you have to be drinking this more often. Sometimes maybe you can take it in the morning and evening. So now, before you drink it, you can't just make this and start drinking. So you have to cover it and store it in a cool, dry place. Then maybe you start drinking it the next day. So when you want to drink it, you pour it inside your glass and drink it. For a very effective result, please, I'll advise you stop drinking water let this thing serve as your water. Anytime you want to drink water, you drink this. You drink this. Anytime you're thirsty, you want to drink water. It's very, very effective. This thing is what my brother actually used for ulcer. He had ulcer and he has been battling with it, and this is what actually saved him. So there's nothing like magic here. Just try it and it's going to work perfectly well for you. Thank you very much. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Share this video because this video might help someone else. Thank you very much.